Hello dear friends, a very good day to all of you. Today I'm going to make Jaffna Chicken Curry with homemade spice mix. If you all remember, some time back I had shared this recipe of Jaffna curry powder, how to make it at home. So do check it out because this curry tastes so good with freshly homemade spice powder. It's a speciality of Sri Lanka and I'm sure you're going to love it. You can enjoy this curry with plain rice or even dosas and appams. So let's make it and you also can give it a try. Ingredients for Jaffna chicken. I have taken 500 grams of chicken with the bone, small curry cut pieces. Coconut milk as needed. We'll be using few tablespoons. Oil 6 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Jaffna curry powder 2 to 3 teaspoons. This is homemade. Check out the link given. Kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon. 4 onions medium size. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. 2 green chillies. 1 pod of garlic, 2 small pieces of ginger, then we have some coriander leaves, about handful, half teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, half teaspoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, 1 pandan leaf. This is the dried pandan leaf. You can get it on Amazon easily. This has been added to Jaffna curry powder as well. 5 cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick and some curry leaves, about 1 sprig. You can find the list also in the description box. Heat about 6 tablespoons of oil in a heavy bottomed pan or a wok. Add the whole spices, saunf, fenugreek seeds, cinnamon, cloves and pandan leaf. Toss them a bit and add the curry leaves, ginger, garlic and green chillies. Saute them a bit. The aroma of pandan leaf is amazing. Now add the sliced onions. We are going to saute them until they become light pinkish in color. We'll cover and let them sweat and become soft and stir from time to time. You can see that now the color is changing. After sauteing it few times, it's become translucent also. Now add the chicken pieces. I've taken chicken with the bone and small curry cut pieces, which are the best for this curry. Sauteing is done. Now we'll add little bit of turmeric and salt to taste. Mix them very well with the ladle so that the salt and turmeric get mixed up thoroughly. Now just cover and let it cook on medium flame. In between, open and stir. the chicken is getting cooked in its own juices, which will also help the onion to get soft and mushy. At regular intervals, keep stirring. This is done for about 5 minutes. And the flame is medium. Now you can see the onions are soft and nice. Add the Jaffna curry powder. This is homemade curry powder. Please check out the link given. The whole process of making it and the ingredients you can see and make it at home, because homemade are the best. Little bit of Kashmiri chilli powder for color. Now mix everything gently until the spices are coated on the chicken pieces. Now time to add water for the gravy. I'm adding hot water, about 2 cups. It is always good to add hot water to the curries so that the cooking process doesn't stop. Immediately it starts boiling. Give it a gentle stir again. Now we will cover and let it simmer on low flame. Just let it cook for 20 minutes. Don't open the lid so that the flavors of the spices are intact and infused into the curry. After 20 minutes, open and just stir gently. You can remove the pandan leaf now. It has done its job. Amazing flavors. Chicken is done now. Check the salt. And finally we are adding some coconut milk. About 3 to 4 tablespoons as desired. Give it a gentle mix. After adding coconut milk, we should just cook it for 1 or 2 boils, not too much. Add some fresh coriander leaves in the end. Now cover the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 boils. Curry is done. Delicious. Dish it out and serve this Jaffna curry with plain rice, or you can also relish it with parathas and appams and dosas. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure this is going to be very flavorful and something different to try out. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.